Can you stop the phone?
It is $5 for domestic.
Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a productive AM morning routine video. I hope you guys enjoy. So first things first, on this particular morning, I got up and I made me a to-do list of all the things that I wanted to do today. Once I brainstormed and wrote everything down that I had planned on doing on this particular day, I wrote it on a notepad and then I wrote it in my book, and I added more information to it as well. To get my day going, to get my morning started is key, and it's something that I try to do each and every day. Comment below and let me know if you make a to-do list, and if you do make a to-do list, do you do it the night before or the morning of? My to-do list is all done now, so what I am doing is I am going to charge my Fitbit and my iPad so I can work out later on in the day, get my fitness in, get me some exercise in, and I just want to make sure that everything is charged up for when I'm ready to go. Now it is time for me to cook breakfast. On this particular morning, breakfast was pretty simple. I had hard-boiled eggs and I had some fresh fruit. I had strawberries and some plums. Guys, try to eat fruit each and every day if possible. And guys, try to make sure you eat breakfast. And when you do eat breakfast, try to make sure you cook breakfast at home. I added some salt to the water that I boiled the eggs in to make the eggs easy to peel. Guys, what are some of your tricks or hacks that you use in order to peel hard-boiled eggs? Because guys, let me tell you something, sometimes it can be a struggle. breakfast is all done now. And also with my breakfast, I had 2 bottles of water. Guys, make sure you drink water each and every day. I try to drink 6 bottles of water each and every day. I also make sure I drink half my body weight. So it can be 6 bottles of water or it might be 7. Either way, Dionne is going to get her water in. Guys, water is key. Make sure you drink water. Please, guys, make sure you drink water. Okay, so now it's time for me to cook dinner. For dinner, I cooked squash, zucchini, and onions. I made some ground turkey and I also made some tofu. Guys, dinner was really, really good and it was high in protein. Guys, make sure you eat some vegetables as well. Try to eat vegetables each and every day. Fresh is best, but if you can't eat fresh, get frozen. And if you can't get frozen, get canned. Guys, make sure you eat your vegetables. Make sure you eat your protein. Try to find protein if you are vegetarian, non-vegetarian, whatever the case may be. Guys, make sure you do the best you can to eat as healthy as possible. Also, enjoy yourselves as well. I hope you all have been enjoying this AM productive day routine video. Guys, it's pretty simple. You don't have to do much. Just make sure you try to do the best you can each and every day to make each day productive, to show up for self, and to just be healthy mentally, physically, and spiritually. Mentally, make you a to-do list. Physically, make sure you exercise, make sure you eat the best way you can, drink your water. Spiritually, make sure you have a peace of mind. Avoid negativity, avoid negative people, avoid negative energy. Focus on you, focus on your loved ones that show you that they love you, they care about you, and do what's best for you always, no matter what. Okay, beautiful people. So now it is later in the day. Me and my husband did a workout routine, and now I'm going to get some steps in on the walking pad. Guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I wish you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.